Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a charger. First, unplug the charger and remove connected devices. Inspect the cable for frays, kinks, or exposed wires. Check the plug and connector for bent pins or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test continuity and voltage at key points. If a break is visible, cut out the damaged section and strip wires carefully before joining them with solder and heat shrink. In this video, I will explain how to fix a charger. Begin by testing the charger output with a multimeter to confirm voltage and polarity. Check for intermittent faults by wiggling the cable near both ends while testing. Open the plug or brick only if you are comfortable and unplugged, looking for loose solder joints or corroded contacts. Note any damaged components so you can plan repairs or replacements. In this video, I will review how to fix a charger. Quick recommendation. I loved a book that can change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with the saver mindset needed for repairs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help fix a charger. Start by cutting out any damaged cable section and stripping 5 to 8 mm of insulation. Match wire colors, twist and solder each joint, then slide on heat shrink and shrink securely. For damaged connectors, replace them with a matching size and pin layout. Reassemble the housing, test the charger with a multimeter, and then confirm safe charging with the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.